Although the marking is often small, the products on which it is to be applied are often large. If an open laser solution is not an option for the customer, our customizing offers an adaptation from our large product range. Our customer was looking for a laser solution for long components with a maximum length of 2,300 millimeters. For this application, we extended the working area of our SpeedMarker 1600 with an extension on the left side. In addition to loading from the front, the machine can also be loaded through the right-hand door, making handling even easier. The door is sensed so that laser marking is only possible when the door is closed, which means that the laser machine still complies with Safe Laser Class 2. The T-slot plate in the work area is the same height as the attachment. This means that these long components can always be machined without the need for additional workpiece holders and height compensation. The standard usable marking area of the SpeedMarker 1600 remains unchanged at 1,300 by 450 millimeters, ensuring the usual flexibility. As usual, this customized solution is controlled by the proven SpeedMark software, so you don't have to sacrifice ease of use. The all-round view shows a successful laser solution that, in spite of its large detection volume, takes up a manageable amount of space.
For more information on integration, technical details, and more, visit our website or contact us.